Hey guys, how are we? I was in such a rush today, I couldn't even do an intro for this video because I literally shot straight from work to basically bring you guys as much as I could before the sun went down. So basically we've gone to the drive-in for the premiere of the Fast 8, and Horsepower Crew obviously held this event to basically showcase a few awesome cars and to get a bunch of other enthusiasts down on the same day to enjoy it. So I didn't even get an intro. So let's get to it. I'll show you what happened before the sun went down. I tried to get as much as I could, guys. It's a bit of a short one, but let's go. So yeah, there is a massive amount of cars here. I just got an overview shot with the drone and wow, there is some cool stuff here. I tried to get here before obviously the light came down, but basically it got dark real fast. So I got the most of the cars that I could, guys, so I showed you a bit of it. There is such a mix here, like I didn't even scratch the surface. There's so many cool cars sort of scattered around, and that Charger, oh, amazing, absolutely amazing. So this movie's starting in probably about 10 minutes. I think a group decision is made to go get some food because we are starving. So I'm probably going to cut it there, guys. It's a short one, but hey, bringing you along was the fun part. So yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching.